Hello, welcome back to Worthington Model Railway. I need to apologize. I haven't uploaded a video in a couple of weeks, if not longer. Been a lot going on. This is July 5th, so it's July 4th weekend here in the US, and had a busy weekend with family and out on the lake and doing things. Over the last 2 weeks I've changed jobs, and so that did a few numbers in terms of trying to find time and stuff, and also attended a couple of car shows. As you may know, I have a series of antique Jaguars, and I like to take those to shows. So Motorola got a little bit of a back seat. The other reason I haven't really done much is because I've been ripping up one end of the layout. I'll show you some of the progress there, but it means right now I don't have a working layout. I'm doing two things. I'm installing a fiddle yard, and if you remember a few weeks ago I started working on adding multiple zones to the layout for my DCC control, and so as I'm putting new things in, I'm ripping wiring out and doing that too. So I don't have an operational layout. I do have a couple of videos that I get halfway done, which I wanted to finish up by showing something running. I may just post that without anything running, with this being the explanation. But let me just show you a few things that have been going on, just so you can get an idea. This is going to be a pretty short update, and it's really a work in progress, but just want to let you all know that I'm still out here and doing things. Thanks. That was holding me up, as well as I didn't have enough cable, so I had to order some more of this 16 gauge cable. Hopefully with these 4 spools I'll have enough. And I also ran out of my favorite dropper cable, which is this flexible silicon covered. I like it because it's very easy to be able to deal with underneath the layout. So that was also been something that set me back a little in terms of getting stuff done. So I finally got some of these Pico SLE99 triple points that I wanted to put in place. If we look over here, you'll see I still have the template there where one has to go in, and what I'm doing is I'm putting a 6-lane fiddle yard in at the back here. You can see a lot of tools and stuff still out, as I'm still working on laying track and adding some more, another piece of track down here on the front lower area, which I've got another point to put in for that. And we've got the 3-lane point in here. So if I zoom in a little bit, you can see I've got the triple point in there, and those tracks are laid, but the ones at the back aren't. Still got quite a lot of work to do here, and you see a lot of wires back here, and you know, the key thing with this is, as I say, I'm putting in 3 power zones, and you may remember that we go back over here. I put this board in a previous video, and I need to get the 3 buses fully wired up and the power zones done for all this stuff. So it's probably gonna be a couple of weeks yet before I can start to run too much in the way of trains, because I'm a tail chaser. I need to get all the way around. I am probably next going to wire up those 3 tracks that I get in the front here, and that will mean I can run trains again, at least on that track, and we'll continue with the other tracks. So fair bit of stuff to do here. I'm hoping in the next week or so we'll be back to the point where we can run trains. Thanks for watching this brief update. I will have more videos for you sooner than later. You can subscribe using the button to the top right, and there's another video to the top left.